Hey guys, it's Ninja Master 1209, back with another video, and I am doing a room tour, I guess. I mean, I haven't really done one in a while, and I've changed up my room. I recently cleaned it, except for that, my Lego table. My stop motion table is very messy right now. But I recently cleaned it, and everything's been rearranged. So, first of all, we've got Storm's dwelling. Storm, where are you? Where are you, Storm? Oh, wait, okay, here we go. Can you see back in there? That's the lighting. Zoom in. There's Storm. Right back in there. Going to sleep. Okay, well, Storm's not going to be joining us. So, first up, we've got my Secrets of Forbidden Spinjitzu setup thingy here. So, we've got all of my different vehicles here. My other stuff's on the other shelf, my spinners. Up top here we've got Stormbringer, bunch of turtle stuff. I love turtles. It's my favorite animal. Yeah, just a bunch of stuff here. Got some little minifigure stuff, other extra stuff. Up here. Over here's my gaming setup. Oh man, this poor gaming setup. I need to get a desktop computer once I start working here. This laptop is dying on me. Got my headphones, my second monitor, my mouse. This is basically my mouse pad right here. In here we've got a bunch of the Sons of Garmadon spinners. I have everyone but Lloyd, because Lloyd's was technically just the movie Lloyd, so I didn't get it. We got Lloyd's car, bunch of my legacy spinner parts, the extra parts. Down here, we've got a bunch of Sons of Garmadon vehicles. This one vehicle that came with the flash and the reverse flash. And the video cut off. That was great. Okay, we got Destiny Shadow back there. Just, yeah, a bunch of Sons of Garmadon stuff. Over here is my main shelf that I love. Starting up top, we've got a bunch of boxes. I have folded all my boxes into other boxes to store them. There's my legacy spinners, because this part of the shelf used to face out towards the center of my room, because this shelf was over there. And I haven't moved the spinners, so they're basically staring at the wall. Anyway, got my little flash collection here. Got the Dragon Pit. I love this set. Temple of Erjitsu. Bunch of other little stuff that I've gotten. I got Kai. I got this for free from a friend. This is my minifigure. I got the Tauntaun and the Wampa from a friend. I got the original Samurai Axe. This is like some of my random stuff I set up on this shelf too. Bunch of minifigures here. So, yeah, I've got my little Mandalorian pack. Going down the next shelf. This is basically my setup for the Prime Empire stuff. Once I start working here and new sets come out in the United States, or I feel like buying them from somewhere else, I'm going to buy the Skull Dungeons and the Skull Sorcerer's Dragon. It's the first two sets I'm going to buy. Yeah, this is just my little setup here. Down here is like my legacy shelf for now. Again, a bunch of this will change. Once I get some of the like new summer sets, I might put this stuff down here into our little retirement area, which I'll show you where I put other older sets, since I still have storage. But yeah, so here's my legacy shelf. One of my favorite sets on here is the remake of the Thunder Raider. I love this set. Got the Earth Driller, Golden Dragon, Samurai Mech, Monastery, and we just got a bunch of the spinners. I have every spinner but Kai. Sometime I'll have to go back and buy Kai somewhere. Down at the very bottom, Samurai X Cave Chaos, which is literally starting to get in chaos. Where did that... The other day I accidentally, knocked something down here. I don't know where it went. Then I've got some of my Lego Movie 2 stuff. It's all dusty down here. Man, have 2 Hestruck boxes. I have Hestruck boxes under my bed. This chest here, I can't really open it because of where it is at the wall. It's got a bunch of my it's got some random parts, but mostly minifigure parts. If I need to rebuild minifigures, then that's where all the parts are. Up here in school, we made these weird hands in glass. It's a long story. So over on this shelf, I've got room here. I have this little Star Wars set with old Luke and Rey. It's my little Iron Man set up there. I got some keychains. I got this random star thing that I got from a friend. I've got, Sloth Boy drew me this, Bob Ross, because we both like Bob Ross. It's a long story there. Just got these little things here. I feel like this is like the Harumi shelf. Man. I have random sunglasses and a Rubik's Cube there just because some of this stuff I haven't sorted since I moved stuff around. Because I had to take a bunch of stuff off shelves to move all the furniture around. Like here, a bunch of random junk. Okay, it's not necessarily junk. I just have I have one of these minifigure things. I've got some random stuff. Okay, yeah. I moved Kylo Ren and the Snow Trooper. Oh no, he's missing a piece. I have to find a piece to go there. A bunch of random books. Got the Green Energy Dragon up here and a bunch of my Ninjago books. There's another Hestruck up here. Bowling pins from old birthday parties. Anybody have bowling alley birthday parties where they give you bowling pins? Had 2 of those. Here's my 2 Dragon Flyers. Now down here, I can't open the one side here, but I can open this side. This is where I store sets that aren't on display necessarily. And that random sleigh, that should be down in Christmas decorations. Don't know why that's there. There's nothing up here but random stuff. Like I have a box of hot chocolate stuff. Down here is my Ultra Stealth Raider. I've got the Titanium Ninja Tumbler. I have the blacksmith shop thing or whatever, the Dragon's Forge. And then I've got the Iron Doom over there. But again, a bunch of those sets, the minifigures, are either in pieces or they're together, but they're in that bin, or in that chest. It's my nice trash can. My rat's nest of wires and my power strip. Where do we want to go next? Here is the one Hestruck drawer. I just have a bunch of Hestrucks that are opened. Over here then, I've got the Shuttle Tidarian, which I finally finished getting the final pieces onto this, because my friend gave me this for my birthday, and it was missing pieces. Some of them we found at his house, some of them I took from my own collection. And I finally finished it, so that's nice. It's my cicada dagger I made from The Flash. Another random box here. I just have a box here because for some reason Storm likes looking at boxes. Or at least, that's what it seems like. Up here I've got my cool little hanging area. I've got the Green Ninja Mech Dragon. I can swap it out sometime for another dragon, like Stormbringer possibly. But I just think the Green Ninja Mech Dragon looks really cool up there. Got this one. Jet Jacks up there. And I have that other little thing that goes with the set, because I figured, okay, I've got the vehicle, I've got both the minifigures up there, why not just sit that on top of a picture? So, but yeah, then there's I have some peeps up here, don't ask. But yeah, then, this is what I see when I go to bed at night. I just see the back of my Lego shelf. That's what I see now. So yeah, I need to sort this. There's a bunch of random junk in there. Yeah, but again, my room, I like it. It's much cleaner than it was before. I sorted a bunch of stuff. Like the closet, we're not even going to go into that closet there. Closet's the messiest part of my room. 100%. But thank you guys for watching this little room tour video. And like all my sets. I'll get another video up here eventually. See you guys.